This week, we're going to talk about home insurance, and a lot of this is geared for new home buyers. So, number one, roof condition is so important right now. There are many carriers, after 15 years, they're not offering replacement cost anymore, and it can be hard to even get coverage if your roof is not in good shape. And they may not even offer you a policy, they may not even give you actual cash value. Number two, wind and hail deductibles are going to 2% in many, many places across the state, which is 2% of the dwelling cost, which can be a pretty big cost if you have to have a roof claim. So you got to be aware of that. Number three, do not have a lapse in coverage. It's real bad. Carriers won't offer coverage if you've had a lapse, so make sure that there is no gaps whatsoever, no gaps. Number four, water claims are kind of a big deal. There's a human element to water claims, right? Like, not in all cases, but maybe you could have checked your water heater. Maybe you could have put the little devices underneath your sink that notify you if there's a leak. So even one water claim, some carriers are not offering coverage, and $0 water claims are a big deal. So you kind of want to make sure that it's going to be more than your deductible if you're going to claim it. And there you have it. Kind of makes me think about, you remember that movie Hustle and Flow with Terrence Howard, and the main song is It's Hard Out Here for a Pimp? Yeah, that's kind of how I feel about home insurance sometimes. I'm obviously not a pimp, but doesn't mean I can't like the song, right? Thank you so much for spending time with us today. Please go to giveagencydallas.com to connect with us, and we'll see you again in 2 weeks.